here's another example to work through. And again, you need to identify that's the amount we want. She wants $4,500 in 3 years, so the amount we want, the future value is $4,500. Okay, and R is the regular payments. So it says how much, what are her regular deposits? So we don't know. So that's our question mark this time. I is the interest rate as a decimal. So 5% is a decimal, 0.05 divided by the number of compounding periods per year. So semi-annually means divide by 2. So 0.025. And N is the number of years. So we're at 3 years times the number of compounding periods per year, which is 2. So N equals 6. So we'll write the same formula. A equals R, big bracket, 1 plus I to the N minus 1 all over I. Whoops. Should know that part there. All over I on this side. Now be careful. These questions are all saying future values. In 3 years I want $4,500. Or I'm going to have $4,500 in 3 years. The next set of questions after these are going to say, how much do you have now if you want to pay out certain amounts? So watch out for those ones. Those are present value ones, and the formula is different. So again, we're just going to substitute 4,500 equals R. Just leave it as an R. 1 plus 0.025 to the power of 6 minus 1, close the bracket, all over 0.025. So when you grab your calculator, you're going to do what you can on the right hand side. So I'm going to solve everything that I can and then go from there. Come on, turn on. So what's in the brackets? Bracket 1 plus 0.025, close the bracket to the power of 6. Enter minus 1. That's what's on top of the bracket. On the bottom of the bracket is going to be divided by 0.025. So I've got R times 6.3877, all that stuff. 6.3877. So we've got R times 6.3877, kind of goes on forever. All right. And equals 4,500. And I want R on its own, so I say what's beside the R? It's 6.3877. It's multiplying by R, so to get rid of it I'm going to divide by that. So divide by 6.3877. Divide this side by 6.3877, and I'm left just with 4,500 divided by, so I've still got the number on my calculator, so I like to do it this way. 4,500 divided by whatever the last answer was. Mine is on a yellow one here, second function answer. So I don't have to worry about rounding. So R equals 704.47. 704.47 equals R, but it looks nicer if I rewrite it. R equals 704.47 with a dollar sign. So if you want to continue, that's all it's asking. Therefore, he needs to deposit 704.47. If he does that, how much is he actually making? So 704.47, out of curiosity, he's making 6 payments. 704.47 times 6, how much is that? 704.47 times 6 is 42.2682. 42.2682. But he's actually, it says he's going to have 4,500. So where does that extra money come from? If I took 4,500 minus 42.2682, that must be the amount of interest earned. So that's important in one of your assignment questions.